Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2020 Buick Encore GX and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before you start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light. So just make sure to apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the lens may have. So we're going to start by installing this section of the tail light first. With this one, start by applying Slip Solution to the lens and then aligning the tint to the edge of the tail light here, and then we'll work our way to installing it to the rest of the way here. Once we have it aligned here, we're going to tack it down by applying tack solution on this section of the lens. Place the film back down to the edge, make sure it's covering everything here and it's aligned. And now we're going to secure this section. So apply tack solution on top of the film, hold it in position, grab your squeegee and just start tagging it down to secure it. And you want to make sure you secure this whole section here. That way we're able to stretch the film a little bit and work our way on this side here. So once you finish taking down this section of the tint, all we need to do is stretch the film until it reaches to this edge, and we're going to apply tack solution and heat in order to help the film tack down around this curve. Since it is a deep curve here, we need to take our time applying tack solution and heat. So start by applying tack solution, stretch the film up to the edge, make sure everything stays aligned. Once you have it on the edge, hold it down, apply tack solution and start securing the whole entire film. And like I mentioned, on this section here, we're going to apply heat and tack solution to help it tack down on the curve. You may encounter small fingers, but those fingers you can remove them slowly by applying heat. So start by applying tack solution, grab your heat gun, and little by little, start helping it tack down around the curve. Start from the curved area here first, and then work your way out. And then once you're done securing this whole section and it's flat and there's no fingers, just continue on tacking down the rest on the bottom and then seal the top as well. So the next install is this middle section here. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is align it to this edge here. And for this one, use the body line of the tail light here on the edge to align this top section of the film. So align it here and the rest should just follow along. Grab your tack solution to start tacking on this whole entire section here. Hold it in position, grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure the entire film. And then this section here goes tucked in on this side of the tail light. So make sure everything's aligned correctly and then tack everything down. And with this one, keep in mind the tint does not cover this lower section of the tail light. It only covers this front section here. And all we need to do is just a light stretch in order to reach it to this edge here. So stretch the film and start applying tack solution to seal it. Start tacking everything down. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. And in order to seal the top section here, we're going to apply tack solution and heat and use our microfiber towel to tack everything down like how we did it on this top section of the other tail light. So once you make sure this whole section is sealed, now we can move on to the last piece. Okay, so now we're moving on with this last piece here. Apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, Make sure to align this section of the curve of the film to the edge of the design of the tail light. So align it right there. Make sure it's covering top and you have enough material for the bottom. And you are going to notice that the film overlaps on top here. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure you secure this whole section first and then stretch the film to the top section here. Once this is secured, stretch the film to reach the film to this edge of the tail light. So apply slip solution, place the film down, stretch it until you reach to the edge, lift the film carefully, and then apply tack solution to start tacking it down. Make sure to remove all the water bubbles underneath the film and then seal the edge right here with tack solution and heat, and you should be done. The last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation for the tail light is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, just apply tack solution to the entire tail light lens. And we're going to use our heat gun to heat all around the film to help the adhesive activate faster. And just use your microfiber towel to help tack down the film and remove any solution that may be underneath the film. So make sure you heat up all around the tail light. Take your time, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the 2020 Buick Encore GX. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.